What's up guys, Adrian Amro. I'm going to do a quick video on a Samsung tablet screen. They sent me a black one and it was supposed to be white, but I'm still going to do it. It'll still work the same. So alright, so first things first, let's pop it open from its shell. I didn't see a video on this one, so I'm just gonna wing it and see if I can handle it without watching a video. Oh, so I accidentally turned it on. Let's see. This is an SM-T530NU. Okay, so here it is. Let's go ahead and use a plastic tool to unplug the battery. There it is. So here's our screen connector right over here. It's just one. So let's go ahead and remove the little tape, making sure not to puncture the battery. Okay, we can just leave that one there for now. There's a little clip here. You want to unclip it. So you gotta get a little bit closer. Okay, so I unclipped it. I'm going to follow this and pull it. That's it right there. We're going to need to probably heat it up to get it off of the frame here. So let's try that. Use our blade. Then we're gonna use, could be a plastic, or it could be one of these right here. We can use our famous thin one. Let's try using this today. Put it up a little bit higher. You gotta be careful with these buttons too, okay? Okay, so the LCD is right here, if you can see it. So it's very important not to damage it with the blade. But this does have some thick adhesive. So, let's see here. I'll go ahead and heat it up some more. Put your goggles on. Okay guys, I guess these buttons, they do come built into this digitizer, so okay, so remember this cable's gonna go through here. Alright, there it is. That was some pretty crazy adhesive on there. They're gonna transfer anything from here. Doesn't look like it. Alright, let's trash that one. Let's clean a little bit of these glass shards. That home button just fell, but we will put it back on. It came off in one hole, in one piece, so that's good. Usually you want to test it first. Usually you want to test it first before you put the new parts on, but I'm just going to trust that. You know, like especially if you don't know the supplier you're buying it from, you might want to test it. Okay, so here's that. This thing should have some adhesive already. Yes, it does. Okay, we're gonna stick it in there. And we're gonna place it. See if you guys can get this. Alright, we're gonna place it perfectly into the frame and around the home button as well. I usually take this stuff off so I can see where I'm going. Camera looks good. It's not being covered or anything. We'll just give it a little wipe down once we're... I don't need my goggles anymore. We'll give it a quick wipe down when we're done installing it. Alright, let's come back here. Plug it back in. There you go. Shove it in as deep as you can and then close your little tab there. Put the tape back on. Plug in the battery. Get this cover because we didn't have any other components that we removed, so this one was pretty easy to do. Now be careful with the heat, guys, because you can really melt some stuff, you know. Okay. Clip it all in. Be careful when you're clipping it in not to break the digitizer again. Touch that home button. Home button's working. Turned on by itself. Thank you. Give it a quick wipe. Check for any burn marks. Nope, we didn't apply too much heat to one spot. So we're just gonna test it, and once we're done testing it, we're gonna heat it around the edges again, and we're gonna clamp it down and just let it sit and wait for the customer to pick it up. Alright, so I'm gonna hit that home button. There it is. Digitizer's working flawlessly. Up and down, left and right. Alright guys, so there it is. As you can see, the camera is not being obstructed by that at all. So the swap. Alright. What I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna going to heat it up a little bit. And I'm going to clamp it down. Samsung Galaxy Tab 4. Okay guys, so the buttons, oops, that's my picture. The buttons work. So apparently they are fused with the digitizer, okay? So I just wanted to turn it on to show you guys that the buttons actually do work. Alright guys, so that was the Samsung Tab 4 digitizer replacement. I have another one to do here. This is an older one, but I don't think I'll do a video on this one since it's cheaper. If you break it, you can just buy a brand new tablet. If you guys want to learn how to open a cell phone repair shop, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. If you guys want to text me to ask a few questions, you can text me at 951-399-7911. We also sell parts, tools, laser machines, fume extractors, and all the good stuff for the iPhone back glass. Once again, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and if you have any questions, you can also email me at contact@911gadgets.com. See you on the next video.